Jessica Barton for Power Auto Media. You know, I get to speak to a lot of interesting people here at SEMA right now. I'm joined by Rich Waitas with Magnaflow. And first of all, I want to talk a little bit about what you do with Magnaflow.
Okay, thanks Jessica for the introduction. At Magnaflow here, I sit as a senior manager, but wear a lot of hats. So I work on the development side, a little bit on the marketing side, really just do what I have to do to get things done. And getting things done for SEMA was one of those big things, and TCI has been a big part of that.
Awesome. So yeah, let's talk about this Mustang. You guys are helping out with this.
Yes. Basically, a while ago, we came up with this relationship idea. I've been working with Sal and the boys over at TCI, Ed and everybody, and we kind of always seem to have something that wanted to work together. Our exhaust parts plus all the design work they've done in the suspension. Inherently, we always have to make design accommodations for suspension when it comes to some of these earlier applications, or in this case, a very custom car. Well, we've been a part of the Optima Ultimate Street Car Challenge for quite a few years now, and we've been kind of throwing around the idea of building a car that was really purpose-built. So this year came up and talked to all the guys over at TCI and said, hey, Magnaflow has an idea. Let's see if we can put together a car that can compete and actually maybe do a little bit better than compete. Can demonstrate what we're capable of and what they're capable of to everybody that's there at the racetrack.
Awesome, and I heard that the exhaust system on this is pretty intricate.
Yeah, actually what we've done on this system is actually build a complete one-off. Behind the headers, we've got a complete X-pipe, which is pretty traditional for most of the Magnaflow products. But behind that, we had to go to an ovalized tubing. Obviously, you've seen what the guys over there have done. They've lowered the car. They put a lot of ground clearance into it. So we've had to take the suspension and really route it a different way as well. We have side exits coming out before the tire, which meant we had to go around everything and then back out the sides and still integrate it into the body panel. So a truly one-off, and again, custom-built setup for the power that they have and of course, the beautiful aesthetic that they've created.
Well, let's talk about your relationship with total cost involved.
Well, the guys at TCI, it's hard to say when it actually started. I've always been fans of the product as a personal user. I had a 63 Chevy too and got introduced to the product line on a personal basis and came to appreciate the extra engineering and the quality of the products they put into it. So couple that to the fact that they've been here as long as we have in this industry, it was kind of a natural marriage. They make a great product that works, we make a great product that works, and we combine the two, we're hoping to get results like this.
All right, and then about the Optima Challenge, you got to be pretty excited about all that.
Yeah, it's amazing. Obviously, we had the idea of making a purpose-built car, but we had to get the car into the Optima Challenge. So the guys over there, Jimmy and Cam, came around, and we made the 10th selection for the golden ticket, which means there was a lot of competition out here for cars that could have made it. So we're very honored to be a part of that and looking forward to what we can do at the actual event.
Yeah, and you know what? I hear there's only 1 mile on this car so far, pretty much, just bringing it into the show. So it's kind of like you're going to see what it does for the first time, huh?
Yeah, where's Ed at? I mean, we got to get him some seat time here and get him around the track to actually see what this thing's capable of.
Well, I'm excited to see it. You guys, again, check out magnaflow.com and totalcostinvolved.com.